Izinhlangano ezincane kwaDukuza azijabule ngokuhlehliswa komhlangano wokuqala. Umasipala wakwaDukuza ungomunye womasipala abangu-21 esifundazweni abangaphunyelelwanga ngo-Elethu. Umhlangano kamasipala bekufanele ube namuhla. Umasipala ubungaphansi kobuholi be-ANC kodwa kuwokuqala ngemuva ka-1996 ukuthi kungabikho othola amavoti enza ukuthi alawule yedwa. Ezihlalweni ezingu-59 kulo masipala i-ANC ithole ezingu-29, i-DA yathola ezingu-9, kuthi i-Independent Alliance ne-Action SA bathola ezinhlanu iqembu ngalinye. I-EFF ithole ezine bene-IFP.
A few days ago on Friday, we met here for an informal meeting with all the councillors and the municipal manager. It was all systems go and we were ready. And just 3 days after that, we get a notification yesterday just after 3 p.m. informing us that the meeting inaugural meeting is postponed.
Asenemenezwe ngesimo sokudecide ukumiswa kwalo gcotshwa kwamakhansela ngoba besithemba ukuthi izinto zizophuthuma. Sidinga ukuthi service delivery hanjiswe kubantu bakithi.
From our caucus point of view, we're very disappointed that the inauguration didn't take place today. Obviously, top of our mind is service delivery and to get on with the job that we've all been elected to do.
Umasipala wakwaDukuza uthi amaqembu amathathu abhala incwadi zokuxolisa okwenza kwahlehliswa umhlangano.
Ngokuthi lo msebenzi lona ukuthi kuhlala umhlangano wokuqala into esuke semahlomba ubuke nje lokho ukuthi makukhona into etshengisayo ukuthi ikhorami ngase ngahlangani awudingi ukuthi uzofika emhlanganweni.
Umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana ukhiphe incwadi evuma ukuthi kuhlehliswe imihlangano komasipala. Izisebenzi zithi bezithola izingcingo ezisuka emaqenjini afuna kuhlehliswe imihlangano. Londi Khatebe, SABC News kwaDukuza.